Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. There is a lot happening in our weather this week. We've got a cold front coming through tonight and then back-to-back storms later this week. One of them a major winter storm that's set to bring a lot of high country snow and more valley rain too. But today looking to be a mild day. Temperatures right near normal in the low 70s. 30-year average is 71. That's where we'll end up in Phoenix. We'll hit 71 in Laveen as well, 71 in Gilbert and in Queen Creek, with temperatures in the upper 60s in Deer Valley, mid 60s today in Anthem and in Cave Creek. So a very nice day with high clouds moving through at times. Light winds for the valley. Up north, though, gusty winds. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit, but let me show you those forecast high temperatures across the state. 51 for Heber and in Show Low, 56 in Sedona, 59 today in Kingman with mid-40s in Flagstaff. And tonight gets really cold up north with temperatures down into the teens in Flagstaff behind a cold front that's moving through tonight. 31 for a low in Payson, 24 for a low in Prescott, and Phoenix will be down into the mid-40s by early tomorrow morning. So a colder start to the day tomorrow again, thanks to that cold front. You can expect those temperatures across the valley tonight to be down into the low to mid 40s. Cold to start your Tuesday, and tomorrow will be a much cooler day behind that cold front. Now out ahead of that cold front that's coming through tonight, we've got stronger winds in the forecast. A wind advisory for areas along and just north of the Mogollon Rim, including spots all along I-40 from Flagstaff to Show Low to Holbrook. We've got that wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. today to 8 p.m. tonight, as wind gusts in those areas will be as high as 40 to 50 miles an hour through the day today. Now for the valley, expect light winds through the day, but then overnight tonight as that cold front swings through, our wind gusts will peak for a few hours, gusting near 30 miles an hour at times, again as that cold front swings across. Now for the valley, I'm not expecting any rain. However, we will see a slight chance for showers across Pinal County. So if you live in Casa Grande, if you live in Maricopa, even Queen Creek in the Santan Valley, can't rule out a stray shower as that cold front swings in. Otherwise, the better chances for rain and snow will be across that northern and northeast pocket of our state. We could get some accumulating snow, at least light snow, in spots like Flagstaff late this evening and overnight, thanks to that cold front that will be swinging across. Again, not a big snowmaker, but potentially an impact for your early morning Tuesday drive, as roads could be a little bit slick. Now for the valley, tomorrow looking mostly sunny, but much cooler. Our temperatures will go from the low 70s today down into the low 60s tomorrow, thanks to this first cold front that's coming through. But again, no major rain impacts with this first disturbance. That will happen, though, as we track a Thanksgiving Day storm. First, we've got a storm coming in on Wednesday that's mainly going to bring rain chances to southeast Arizona. The stronger, colder storm system will be diving our way from the west-northwest by Thanksgiving. So we'll see rain chances developing Wednesday night, in part due to that first disturbance, but continuing all day Thursday for Thanksgiving and Friday. And there's likely to be a flood threat, too, with this as we get some heavier rainfall at times, some thunderstorms possible, too. That threat for flooding will be increasing for Thanksgiving and on Friday. And then Thursday, Friday, we're also going to be talking heavy snow in the mountains. The highest amounts will be right along the rim from spots like Flagstaff to Show Low, even up by the Grand Canyon. But we could see some of those snow showers in Gila County as well, even in the mountains across far northern and northeastern Maricopa County. We'll have to watch those areas, those snow levels looking to drop to around 4,000 feet. So here are the storm systems. Again, we've got one cold front coming through tonight that'll bring that chance for snow showers and rain showers to the areas across northeast Arizona. Gusty winds by tonight, too, as that cold front swings across. But then again, that storm system clears out and all eyes on the next two. One that'll come in from the southwest. That storm system will bring rain chances mainly to southeast Arizona, but I think we could get in on some showers and thunderstorms in the valley too later on Wednesday into early Thursday. Then Thursday into Friday, this colder, stronger winter storm brings more widespread rain on Thursday and that heavy snow to the high country Thursday night into Friday. Through the day Friday, still snowing, rain still possible here in the valley. Those snow levels again down to about 4,000 feet. So how much more rain are we talking? We're talking about 2 to 4 inches possible in spots over the mountains to our north and to our east. For the valley, though, about 1.5 inches of rain at most. It looks like most spots will end up with right around 1 inch of rainfall, and this is over the course of Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Again, not all coming at once, but we could see those flooding issues like what we saw last week. 1/2 inch to 1 inch of snow tonight into early tomorrow in Flagstaff, but then look at how those snow amounts just surge as we get that colder storm system in here. We're talking maybe 4 to 8 inches of snow in spots like Payson, 5 to 9 in Prescott, and more than a foot, if not close to 2 feet of snow around the Flagstaff area. Very high amounts along the Mogollon Rim and into the White Mountains region too. So this is going to create significant travel issues for you just in time for the holiday. So prep time is now. Today, tomorrow, and Wednesday is a good day to run errands, especially if you live in northern Arizona, but here in the valley too. You don't want to be out and about on Thanksgiving. Unfortunately, it's going to be an indoor Thanksgiving for us here in the Valley of the Sun, as winds will be gusty, temperatures will be cooler, and we're likely going to see rain throughout the day on Thanksgiving. And you'll want to avoid mountain travel on Thursday and Friday, as we'll likely see the most hazardous road conditions by then as the snow is falling. 71 for a high today. We'll be cooling to 63 tomorrow, then back up into the upper 60s on Wednesday, and then down into the low 60s Thursday, even colder behind that winter storm. Coming in by Friday, we're down to 59 degrees for a high. Saturday will begin to dry things out, a high of just 56 degrees, and then check out that low. By Sunday morning, we're down into the 30s. Stay tuned for updates in the coming days.